Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to see first message on Facebook without scrolling, which means if you want to the very first message of the person you are chatting with. For example, if you open the messenger and if you open people and if you select any of the people from here, and if you want to get the older chat with that person, which means the first message to that person, then how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply close the messenger and you have to open the Play Store here. And after Play Store, you have to simply search for Tap Scroll app and you have to click on the first app you see. So you have to install that app. After installing, what you have to do, you have to simply provide some necessary accessibilities to that app so that it can work properly. So after installing, you have to provide some necessary settings and you have to turn off battery optimization, and after that they will tell you that how it works. So you have to open that. After opening, they are telling how it works. After that, you have to turn on this app, but before turning on, you have to provide some accessibility setting. For this, you have to click on download apps. After that, you have to select tap scroll and you have to select use tap scroll. And after that, your Android device tell that it is dangerous to provide any kind of accessibility to any of the app. So you have to click on I am aware of that. After that, you have to go back and you have to turn off the battery optimization so that it can work properly. After that, you have to turn on this app. After that, they are telling that how it works. So you have to simply tap on the top of the screen so that you can get to the very first message of that chat. So you have to simply open the messenger. Now you have to open the people's here, and if you want to see the first message of any of the chats you have, so here I am going to open a chat here which I had with a person. So here you have to tap and hold that chat and you have to tap and hold that chat 2 or 3 times so that you can get to the very first message of that chat. So if you have very long chat, then you have to press 2 or 3 times to get to the very first message of that chat. As you can see, I have pressed and hold that chat and I have got to the very first message of that chat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.